The world of agriculture is on the brink of a revolutionary change. Autonomous tractors are no longer a futuristic dream. They are rapidly becoming a reality. These self-driving machines are poised to transform the way we farm. They offer increased efficiency, productivity, and sustainability. Farmers have always embraced new technologies. From the first steel plow to GPS-guided machinery, innovation is key to progress. Autonomous tractors are the next logical step. They will allow farmers to work smarter, not harder. This technology has the potential to address some of agriculture's biggest challenges. Labor shortages and rising costs are major concerns for farmers. Autonomous tractors offer a solution. They can operate tirelessly day and night without the need for a human operator. This frees up farmers to focus on other important tasks. Several key players are driving the development of autonomous tractors. Major manufacturers like John Deere, Case IH, and New Holland have all entered the market. They are investing heavily in research and development. John Deere, for example, released its first fully autonomous tractor in 2022. This marked a major milestone in the industry. Other companies are not far behind. Case IH and New Holland have also introduced their own autonomous tractor models. These companies are locked in a race to bring the most advanced technology to farmers. Each manufacturer is developing its own proprietary systems. However, they all share a common goal. They aim to make farming more efficient, productive, and profitable. Autonomous tractors rely on a suite of advanced technologies. GPS, artificial intelligence, and sensors are all essential components. These technologies work together to allow tractors to navigate fields, avoid obstacles, and perform tasks autonomously. GPS provides the tractor with precise location data. This allows it to follow pre-programmed routes. AI algorithms enable the tractor to learn from its experiences. It can adapt to changing conditions in the field. Sensors, such as cameras and LiDAR, provide the tractor with a 360-degree view of its surroundings. This helps to ensure safety and avoid collisions. The technology behind autonomous tractors is constantly evolving. Each new generation of machines is more sophisticated than the last. As the technology continues to advance, autonomous tractors will become even more capable. Section 4. Overcoming the hurdles. Despite the promise of autonomous tractors, several challenges must be addressed before they become mainstream. These challenges include safety regulations, cybersecurity concerns, high costs, and the need for farmer training. Safety is paramount when it comes to autonomous vehicles. Governments around the world are still developing regulations for self-driving cars. These regulations will need to be adapted for agricultural machinery. Another concern is cybersecurity. Autonomous tractors are connected to the internet, which makes them potentially vulnerable to hacking. Manufacturers are working to develop robust cybersecurity systems to protect against these threats. The cost of autonomous tractors is also a barrier to adoption. These machines are currently very expensive, putting them out of reach for many farmers. Finally, farmers will need to be trained to operate and maintain these new machines. This will require significant investment in education and training programs. Section 5. The road ahead. Despite these challenges, the future of autonomous tractors is bright. As technology continues to advance and costs come down, these machines are poised to revolutionize agriculture. Experts predict that fully autonomous farming systems could be available by 2030. This would be a game changer for the industry. Farmers would be able to manage their operations remotely and allocate their time more efficiently. The widespread adoption of autonomous tractors will have a profound impact on the agricultural workforce. Some jobs will be displaced, but new jobs will also be created. There will be a need for skilled technicians to maintain and repair these sophisticated machines. Autonomous tractors have the potential to make farming more efficient, productive, and sustainable. They are a key part of the solution to feeding a growing global population. The road ahead may be challenging, but the destination is worth the journey.